This pop knit button popped for me after Christmas. Maybe because I was getting too fat, but I don't know. But here's a hardcore way to repair the button with an angle grinder and a screw. And then I just put the screw inside the pants from the inside, and it comes out on the other side, and you screw on the button. But then there's a problem, because you have the pointing screw outwards. It's gonna ruin your shirts. And here comes the angle grinder. The angle grinder solves two problems. Cutting down the screw's pointy edge, and afterwards you can flatten it out to make it hold the button better. When you're finished, you have to keep away from both sides of the metal, both the screw on the other side of where you're grinding, and after you're finished grinding, you have to wait a minute to let it cool, because or else you get burned if you touch it. But here's the finished results. Bye from the old guy.